reduces your risk of injury.
Alright, what is going on, guys? cory Rob here, and gonna go through the steps here with the muscle up. A lot of the muscle up is technique, so you guys have to be practicing the technique. Step 1, you're gonna overgrip the bar. Really simple, really easy. Step 2, you're gonna practice pushing your chest through. So you're gonna push it through, past the bar, in front of your hands and in front of your feet. You actually wanna feel your chest open up, and that's gonna be your cue to activate when we go on to the later steps. Step 3, all we're gonna be doing is reaching out with our foot and doing that same motion. I really want you guys to practice the technique, so make sure you practice these individual movements. So keep practicing pushing through. A lot of the muscle up is gonna be practice, 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 guys. Step 4, this one we're actually gonna be pulling back. So when you go to do the same movement, combine step 1 through 3, and then use your lats and pull back. You're actually gonna pull back in a C motion. For this step 5, at the same time when you pull back, you're gonna drive your knees up to the bar. So that's what you wanna practice next. You have to get the rhythm of the motion down. This is a different motion, guys. It's not just a strict pull-up. You're going forward, you're using your momentum, you're swinging back in a C motion and driving your knees. You wanna act like you're gonna smack them against the bar. And for step 6, we're throwing that all together and we're gonna throw a muscle up. So there you go. The last portion of the muscle up is when you get to the top of the bar, you need to lean over the bar with your chest and put your chest on top of the bar and then just straight bar dip up, okay? I hope this helps you guys. Combine all those steps, practice the technique so that you can do cool moves like this later on. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this one.